Hi guys, welcome to my 100th post and my first video post. So in honor of my 100th post, mychizziesmunchies is expanding into socially conscious, eco-conscious, humane certified, and conscious brands outside of food and beverage. So here's the myTopper by sleepandbeyond. They're a really cool bedding company from Kyrgyzstan that focuses on humanely sheared wool. So all the products have to do with wool bedding. The myTopper is great because, well, for one, it's a really great mattress topper. Has two very durable elastic straps. It's very easy to put on. And I love how it's quilted evenly throughout. So it's really, provides even comfort that way. Additionally, it's 35 ounces of washable wool per square yard and 1.5 inches thick. The thickness is wonderful, even with a pillow top mattress, which is what I have. It's really great at helping your body align properly. The comfort and the support it provides for the back and the neck is really, really wonderful while you're sleeping. Additionally, the wool is a great insulator for the body, so it's really, really good at keeping you cool in the summer and warm in the winter. My AC broke this summer, and this thing was a lifesaver, let me tell you, because it was hard to sleep in this room without it. And so this is the myTopper. It's really great, you guys, and sleepandbeyond has so many other wonderful products that I hope to be reviewing soon. So please check it out, check out their website, and have a great day. Bye!